Hi, my name is Wen. I am a graduate student in UND Chemistry Department. And this instrument behind me is scanning electron microscope. It is a microscope, so we could use it to see very tiny things in nanoscale. And here is a sample of the image taken by the SEM. This is a human hair, and the diameter is about 50 micrometer, and the nanometer is actually 1,000 times smaller than this. So you can see how awesome this instrument is, can give us morphology information of nanoscaled material, and that is also why this instrument is so important for the scientific research.